Afternoon, Agent at Engine Carbon Clean. We're north of Bourne for the last one of the day, and we've got a Volvo V70 D5. This is a 2.4 diesel. Now, this one is a 56 plate, 160,000 on the clock. Owners booked it in basically because I was recommended to. My garage, it's a bit lumpy, a bit noisy. Fuel economy is really plummeted as we've got into the cold weather. Now, the Diagnostics has got a couple of old codes in there for a few bits and pieces that we've cleared down, sent through to the owner, but the only one that's popped back on is the air quality sensor for the air conditioning. Not a major issue, but at least the owner can get that resolved now. The major thing on the Diagnostics though is thermostat, yet again. It's the third one of the day I've seen with a thermostat problem. Now, it is a 13-year-old thermostat. This explains why it's had really good fuel economy through the summer, but got into the colder months and the fuel economy has plummeted. And that's basically because in the summer you've got the fans off inside, you've probably got air conditioning on, and you've got hot air coming in through the front. You get into the winter, obviously you want to heat yourself up as well, so you've got the fans on, pulling the heat out of the engine bay, you've got really cold air coming into the radiator, and the thermostat can't cope. This, when we got to it, was 55 degrees, and the hottest we've managed to get it to under real extreme conditions is 88. As soon as we put the fans on, the temperature started plummeting again. So you imagine you're driving around, cold air coming in, you're keeping yourself warm, that temperature gets really cold, fuel economy is going to go down through the floor. So, owner can get a new thermostat on this. Now we've got it up to temperature, we're running it a bit longer, get this cleaned up, brand new thermostat on this, and this should be loads better as we go through the winter months, and that fuel economy should be back up where it should be.